In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you 20 secret CMD commands used for hacking computers. These commands are commonly hidden inside USB rubber ducky payloads for USB attacks. And I will show you some commands to scare and make fun of the target user. Don't try this at school, at your workplace, or on any computers you don't own. This video is made for educational purposes only, and I am not responsible for any misuse of this information. Try these commands on your own machine and take note of them to use for your future ethical hacking projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the video until the end. So, let's get into the video. Let's get started. Imagine that you need to download a reverse shell payload onto the target machine. In most cases, you can't download them directly onto the target machine because Windows Firewall always blocks unknown incoming connections. That's why we use this command to turn off Windows Firewall. This is a common command execution used in rubber ducky scripts for setting up reverse shell connections. The payloads are usually stored in an online storage location, and using this command, the attacking device first turns off Windows Firewall, taking the first step to download the payload onto the target machine. After breaking the first barrier, you might think you can easily download and execute the payload. Right? Wrong. Firewall is like a door guard. Even if we bypass it and get inside the target machine, Windows Defender enters the fight and will kick our payload to the moon within seconds if we don't hide our payload from it. That's why we use the next command to exclude a path from Windows Defender. Using this command, you can create a blind spot that Windows Defender will never check, so we can use that blind spot to safely run our payload inside the target machine. After downloading the payload and executing it inside the blind spot, it is not necessary to keep Windows Firewall turned off, so we can turn it back on using this command, so it won't look suspicious. Now let's play some games with the target machine. Using this command, you can shut down the computer while displaying a scary message. Here you can add a custom message and edit the delay before shutdown. This command can also be used in Duck script, either after a specific attack or just to scare the user for fun. If you enter shutdown/A again, you can instantly cancel the shutdown. Instead of shutting down, you can restart the machine using this command. If you set the value to 0 here, it instantly restarts as soon as the command executes. But if you need a few seconds delay before restarting the machine after executing the command, you can add the delay here in seconds. Moving into the next command. How can you schedule a file to run automatically every time the user logs onto the computer? This command is for that. Here you need to add the path to the file, which should run automatically. RL/highest means it should be run with admin rights. So if I execute this, you can see the file is scheduled in Windows Task Scheduler. You can simply disable it from there. As an alternative, you can schedule the file to run at a specific time every day using this command. Make sure to add the time here. What is the target machine's IP address? Type ipconfig and hit enter. All the IP details will be displayed. Type bar and clip at the end to copy the details. Using this, you can get the IP details, which can be useful in getting remote access. By the way, are you still using your real browser to test payloads or run fake accounts for your ethical hacking projects? If so, you're exposed. That's the simple truth. So how do we hide and operate safely without getting caught? That's why we use GoLogin. Watch this. I create a browser profile and pick a country so that the browser behaves like it's coming from that country with a totally different IP. With this setup, you can visit many sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, each in a different profile from a different country. How cool is that? It feels like you're everywhere at once with unlimited devices. If you check the IP from the profile, you'll see it's completely different from your real IP. 2 browsers act like 2 different devices. 10 browsers act like 10 different devices. You can change the location like this. Visit the same site with a totally different identity. You can change the IP whenever you want. The IP is the proxy, not you. Have a friend group into hacking? This is the best part. You can invite members to a workspace and share profiles without sharing passwords. But if you buy from their site directly, you'll miss the exclusive extras. Here's the best deal for Electronic Tech Show viewers. Buy using the link below or enter promo code Electronic Tech Show to get free GoLogin Pro and 2 GB of residential proxies. Normal buyers don't get that offer, but only you. This is a limited offer. Grab it now. All right, next command. How can you see all the network details saved in the computer? Enter NetWLAN show profiles and all the network names will be displayed. If you want to see all the details of a specific network, including the password, type NetWLAN show profiles, network name within inverted commas and key equals clear. Boom. I have already made a video about making a USB Wi-Fi password stealer using this concept. If you haven't watched that video, click the card that appears or check the video description to watch it. Moving into the next command. Do you want to reset the admin password with a one-line command even without the old one? Type netuser administrator and your new password here. This command is powerful because it can be used in keystroke payload execution to block admin access for a user within seconds. If you have watched the Greatest Hacker series, Mr. Robot, you may have seen that he uses this command to break into a computer within seconds. Here are some similar versions of this command. You can easily create a new user account with your own password with this one-line command. Type netuser, your username, password, and type /add. At the end, you can give admin rights to a user with this command. Replace /add with /delete to remove a user from the administrator section. To delete a user, type netuser, username /delete. Moving into some fun and interesting commands. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. How do you crash the target machine with a one-line command? Type whininit and hit enter. The Windows blue screen of death will be triggered instantly. Using this concept, I have made a video about making a USB killer which crashes the computer automatically every time you log in. If you haven't watched it, watch it from here or check the video description. If you want to program a Duck script to direct a user to a specific web page, use this command and add the web page URL. This command is also used to direct the user to phishing sites. Next one. If you type curl assi.live/parrot, your CMD may show a dancing parrot. If you change this into coin, you can see a spinning coin. Let's try one more. I replace this with Rick. Boom, you have Rick rolled. Do you know more? Leave a comment below. I will choose the best ASCII command you know. Moving into the final command. You can play a beep sound on the target machine with this command. Here you can add the time it should be played in milliseconds. If I change this value to 5,000, the beep sound will continue for 5 seconds. How cool is that? What is the command you like the most? Leave a comment below. What do you need in the next video? You can request it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share. We will meet again soon. Goodbye for now.